Hi students, welcome to Botany online class. Today we have discussed ecological pyramid. So in these topics, the previous class continuation, the chapter numbers 7. Chapter number 7, ecosystem. So now we are going to discuss about ecological pyramids. So what is ecological pyramids? A geographic representations of the topic of the structure and functions. Structure and functions at successive tropical level of the ecosystem. That's why ecological pyramids are simply the tropical levels, the interactions between one tropical level into the other tropical level by the biotic components. That's why ecological pyramids. The ecological pyramids also known as tropical pyramids. Pyramids are energy pyramids. Then the concept of this ecological pyramids are tropical pyramids or energy pyramids was first introduced by Charles Eldon. In years 1927. Charles Eldon in 1927. Therefore, the ecological pyramids or tropical pyramids or energy pyramids, also known as Eldonian pyramids. Based on the Eldonian pyramids are generally the Eldonian pyramids or ecological pyramids, they can be classified the three types. There are three types. They are pyramid of number, and then pyramid of biomass, and third one, pyramid of energy. Third one is pyramid of energy. So now we will discuss about the pyramids by one by one. So the first one is known as pyramids of number. So what is pyramids of number? A geographical representations of the number of organisms present at each successive level of the tropic level of the ecosystem, that is called pyramids of the number. Thus are so the interactions between the herbivores, the interaction between the producer, herbivorous, carnivorous, and top carnivorous. Top carnivorous at each successive tropical level of the ecosystem. That's why the pyramids of the number. So based on the shape of pyramid, there are the three types. Based on shape of pyramid, there are the three types. They are upright. First one. The second one is spindle. The third one is inverted. So again, based on the shape of the pyramids, there are three different types. They are upright pyramid, spindle pyramid, and inverted pyramid. So now we are discuss one by one. First of all, what are the examples for this different type of the shape? So the first one's upright. There are the two examples. They are pond ecosystem, grassland ecosystem. Land ecosystem. Second one is pond ecosystem. That are example for upright. Next one, spindle. There are the one example, sir. Forest ecosystem. And third one is inverted parasite ecosystem. Ecosystems. There are the three ways again. The upright, there are the two types of ecosystem. One is grassland ecosystem, another one pond ecosystem. The third one, second one spindle, sir. Only one example is forest ecosystem. Third one, sir, inverted pyramid. An example of these are parasite ecosystem. So now we are discussed one by one for grassland ecosystem, pond ecosystem, forest ecosystem, and parasite ecosystem. First we have discussed grassland ecosystem. First one, grassland ecosystem. So it is one example for pyramids of number of upright ecosystem. These are pyramids. The basis of the pyramids which are producer. So the producers which are maximum, producers always in the grass. So grasses which are maximum in the number, that is a tropical level 1. Next, tropical level 2. The tropical level 2 is the herbivorous. The herbivorous also known as primary consumer. Primary consumer. These are having some herbivorous animals like rabbit, mice, grasshopper, rat, and etc. So that are found in the tropical level 2. That is the herbivorous. Herbivorous like rabbit, mice, grasshopper, rat, and etc. that are found in the tropical level 2. So the tropical level 3 again. The herbivorous animals like rabbit, mice, and rat, the number of these less than in the producers or less than in the grass. Okay, next. Tropical level 3, carnivorous. The carnivorous nothing but secondary consumer. The secondary consumers having snake, lizard and etc. So the number of snake and lizard less than for rabbit, mice, grasshopper and rat. So that is the tropical level 3. Next one, tropical level 4. The tropical level 4 is top carnivorous. So that are otherwise is also known as tertiary consumer. So the number of this, for example, these are hawk. Hawks are birds, other kinds of the birds. So the number of birds is less than the snake and the lizard. So therefore, you see the premise, bottom into the top, there decreases in the number of organisms. It is an example for grassland ecosystem, or thus gradually decreases from one tropical level into the other tropical level. For example, producer, herbivorous, carnivorous and top carnivorous. Otherwise, producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer and tertiary consumer. You see this level based into the effects gradually decreases in the number of species. That is called grassland ecosystem. And second one is pond ecosystem. So the pond ecosystem also similar into the grassland ecosystems. Here you see the bases of pyramids. The bases of pyramids are tropical level 1. The tropical level 1 is also producer. So the producers having the aquatic animals like phytoplankton. So what is mean the phytoplankton? So already this is we learned for the lower classes. So phyto means plant. Plankton means floating. So that's why phytoplankton. For example, this algae, fungi, some kinds of the bacteria. And is an example for phytoplankton. So these are found in the tropical level 1. So tropical level 2 is herbivorous. The herbivorous nothing but primary consumer. The primary consumers having zooplankton. So what is mean the zooplankton? So zoos means the animals. Plankton means the plant. So plankton means the floating. So that's why zooplankton. So this herbivorous feed from the phytoplankton. That means the tropical level 2. For example, this some kinds of insect, dragonfly, small fish and etc. It is an example for zooplankton. So that are found in the tropical level 2. And then tropical level 3, carnivorous. The carnivorous also known as secondary consumer. The secondary consumers feed from the tropical level. Our second tropical level is the herbivorous. For example, this fish eating animals are beetles, some kinds of fish and etc. So that are found in the carnivorous or secondary consumer. These are feed from the herbivorous or primary consumer. And then next one, tropical level 4. The tropical level 4 is top carnivorous or tertiary consumer. These are found in big fish some kinds of the birds. So that are found in the top carnivorous. So the tertiary consumer or top carnivorous feed from the carnivorous or secondary consumer. So therefore you see the pond ecosystems similar into the grassland ecosystem. You see that this premise base into the apex, the organisms decrease, the gradually decreases the number of organisms from bottom into the apex. It is another one example for premix of number. So next we have discussed forest ecosystem. It is an example for spindle shaped ecosystem. Third one, forest ecosystem. So these ecosystems is a different because somewhat different shape of the pyramid. That's why forest ecosystem, because these are base having a big tree or large tree. So that is the tropical level 1. These are producer. And tropical level 2 is herbivorous. So herbivorous also known as primary consumer. These are found in elephant, deer, and etc. So the number of elephant, deer, and etc. that are less than in the number of producers. Sorry, the elephant and the deer, the number of these more than in the producer. But you see the grassland ecosystem and pond ecosystem, the producers which are large numbers than the other tropical level. But the forest ecosystem, the herbivorous, the number of herbivorous animals large than the producers. So therefore the producers is the less, but the herbivorous is the more. Therefore the number of herbivorous animals more than the producers. So next, tropic level 3. The tropic level 3 is a carnivorous. The carnivorous, for example, these are also known as secondary consumer. These are found in snake, fox, and etc. So the number of these less than the herbivorous. But you see the grassland ecosystem and the pond ecosystem, the number of species less in the herbivorous. But saying this, the number of this less than the herbivorous. That is the tropic level 3. Then tropical level 4, that is a top carnivorous or tertiary consumer. So for example, these are lion. So the number of this less than the carnivorous or secondary consumer. These are for example this forest ecosystem. You see the pyramids are the tropical levels are only one large size of the tree, that is the producer. Then second tropical level is the herbivorous. These are having the more number than the producers. Then tropical level 3 is a carnivorous or secondary consumer. For example, this fox and snake, the number of this less than the herbivorous. And then tropical level 4, that's a top carnivorous or tertiary consumers. For example, this lion, the number of top carnivorous less than in the secondary consumer or carnivorous. So that are for example is ecosystem. Therefore, the forest ecosystems are spindle shape. So next one ecosystem for parasitic ecosystem. So the parasitic ecosystem, it is one type of number of the pyramids. Fourth one is parasite ecosystem. It is an example for inverted shape of pyramid. So you see the diagrams there. Here, the basis of this, that is a tropical level 1. The tropical level 1 is producer. The producers are single plant or single trees, that is a producer. Then tropical level 2s are herbivorous. The herbivorous having some fruit eating animals. Fruit eating birds and the other animals are. It is an example for herbivorous animals. And tropical level 3 is the parasite herbivorous. So the parasite herbivorous basically, so what is meaning of parasites? So those organisms are cannot prepare their own food substance because the lack of the chlorophyll pigment and etc. Therefore, these are dependent upon the other organism. So the parasite, these are get food from the other living organism, both plant and animals. That is called the parasite. So the herbivorous are plant-eating animals. The parasitic herbivorous, some kinds of the leech and pups. So these are cannot prepare the food substance. Therefore, these are feed from the herbivorous, that is called parasitic herbivorous. And then tropical level 4. The tropical level 4 is hyperparasites. So the hyperparasites, some other examples are leech and the bugs. So these are get from the herbivorous, that means are the hyperparasite. So other example for this, some kinds of the bacteria and fungi, especially actinomycetes. So these microbes get from the hyperparasite. Therefore, these are arranged in inverted. You see the base into the apex. The basal regions are producer. The producer is number is very low. So you see the base into the apex. There gradually increases in the number of organisms. But you see the other ecosystems like pond ecosystem, grassland ecosystem is based into the effects gradually decreases in the number of organisms. But you see the parasitic ecosystem based into the effects gradually increases number of the species. These are gradually increases for producer into the primary consumer is the secondary consumer is the tertiary consumer. Therefore, the increases species from base into the effects that are example for parasitic ecosystem. Okay, student, today class is over. Thank you.